Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit about lab tools. First lab tool that I want to show you is a beaker. This is a beaker. They do come in different sizes. I would say this is a medium, this is slightly smaller, and this is a baby beaker. Beakers are what we use to record volume. This is how we measure volume. Volume is how much space inside of a three-dimensional figure an object can hold. In this particular situation, the beakers are already graduated down the side with measurements, and the total volume or capacity of this one is 600 milliliters. So one of the lab tools that you'll see us use a lot in class are beakers. They do come in all different sizes. Do not confuse a beaker with an Erlenmeyer flask. They are not the same thing. This is a beaker, this is an Erlenmeyer flask. A lot of times when you see kind of like mad scientist videos and stuff about Erlenmeyer flasks, people say, oh, look at what's in that beaker. This is an Erlenmeyer flask. It is shaped differently. It's got more of kind of like a triangular base, but it is also three-dimensional. It is also what we use to hold liquids, and it has also got measurements on the sides. Another common confusion point that I see with kids is confusing a graduated cylinder with a beaker. These are also two totally separate tools. Graduated cylinder is in the shape of a cylinder. It's called graduated because all along the side, you've got these little measurement marks. That is what makes it graduated. The volume, the amount of empty space inside this three-dimensional figure is broken up or graduated into individual milliliters, and those milliliters are recorded along the side in little hash marks. Graduated cylinders do come in different sizes. You can have little bitty ones, you can have really big ones. I just brought a couple from my lab at home to my house. You also have one of the more common tools we're going to be using is a thermometer. This is probably one of the ones you're the most familiar with. The thermometer measures temperature. This thermometer will actually measure in Celsius and Fahrenheit. And it's also got graduated hash marks all down both sides telling you where the temperature is at based on what you're measuring. You're going to want to always place the red end into the liquid that you're measuring the temperature on with a thermometer.